Hello, Test It Now friends. This is Joey Gomez, and we're going to be holding another product review. Test It Now friends is a channel that supports all product reviews for individuals that would like to use the latest tech to support individuals with learning disabilities or in the academic field. Today we're going to be reviewing IVCAM, a software I reviewed before and wanted to give a further tutorial on how to use. If you'd like to know more about these kinds of product reviews, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Also, please leave a comment below. That way, I can know about more products you'd like for me to review. And with that, let's test it. Alrighty guys, so today what I wanted to do was I wanted to show you the process I follow in order to get to the E2E Soft IVCAM software. Now I had it already on my display. You can see in the first video how I download it. Here is my iPhone that I use that has the IVCAM on it. These are the settings tabs. Now obviously once you get there you're going to have to set this up in the right frame size. So usually you can use your 1080 by 1920 and then 24 frames if you want that really high quality resolution, and then also high quality audio is what you can select. You go ahead and you go to your screen and voila, your screen will display right there. Now I went ahead and showed what the difference was with another software that I use, which I will be featuring in another video. So if you just look above, you'll be able to see a link there. But the settings that you can choose from the desktop version instead of the actual iPhone version on the bottom left ellipses. You click on them and you'll be able to go to choose whichever you would like for your screen size. Again, I did the 1920. Obviously, you can see the difference between the two. Me in the room as compared to me in space. Right here, I went ahead and I made an effort to show you the actual resolution, so that way it was clear as far as how it should look. And then I went back to the settings and chose something that would apply to a lower setting, because for me, I only use the bottom right corner. Maybe that's what you'll prefer as well. So now I have it a smaller screen. That way I can use it in my little snippet sidebar that I have. There are settings specifically for you to be able to get into the video and edit it down to the right frame size. You might want to move the actual screen so that way it's not in the way of where you have your little miniature screen on the other side. I mean, all of this really is so intuitive. That's what I love about IVCAM. It's very simple, and when you want to exit the program, you simply click exit and it will actually turn off the screen, and there you go, testing it. When it finished, this is the section right here where I have some trouble. Sometimes the license, even though I purchased it, it seems to expire. I go down to the settings on my actual phone. I click on settings and I click restore purchase. Then I press this play button here in the middle of the screen, and that allows me to actually just go back and simply get back on the screen and set it right on top of my computer, and I'm good to go again. So it's really simple and functional. I hope that this tutorial has helped you to be able to set up your IVCAM if you decided to purchase it. Hey everybody, I wanted to say thank you for watching my content today. I went ahead and made a list for you to be able to go back and look at everything we went over today in this review. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, and also notification bell to continue to get more content. And as always, please leave a comment if you have something else you'd like for me to review. And we just tested it.